Okay, so the AI has finished working on our video. Then they asked us to take a look. See, they said take a look at the video. Take a look. Then we'll now take a look. So this is how the picture is looking. This is how the picture looks like. So if you don't like the video, if you like the video, you wipe to the right. So like this one is darker and I don't want it, so I'll wipe it to the left so that I will delete. So wipe to the left to delete. So now I'm seeing the second video. It looks good for me, so I wipe it to the right to save. Then look at this second one. I wipe it to the right to save. This one is also good. I wipe it to the right to save. This one is also good. I wipe it to the right to save. This one is also good. I wipe it to the right to save. Then automatically, those one you wipe to the right to save, it will now generate a video for you automatically. Then you can click save a video here. Save a video. Yes, save video. Then it will now generate the video and save it for you. But if you say no, see under here there is an option for no. Then you tap on no thanks. Then it will now remove the video. So from here you can share it to your client. You can share it to your client using all these social media handles, or you can upload it. You can do whatever you want to do. You can upload it into any video making app. Then you put music there, any music you want, then you are good to go. So if you are done with it, you can say generate more photos, so the AI will continue to do it. So the first time it will take 6 minutes to do. Then the second time it will take not less than 3 minutes. The first time it will take 6 minutes. The second time it will take up to like 200 seconds. It will take up to like 200 seconds. So if you are not comfortable with this, you can, when the picture has already done, you can change your model. Okay, now if I'm not comfortable with this, I can go back. When I go back, I'll come to, okay, I have to wait for it to finish. It's because of our time. I don't want us to spend much time in this video. So the only thing, we have to wait for it to load for that 200 seconds. So when it is done, the 200 seconds is done, then you are free and you are good to go. You will see all those pictures. So that's why in the first place I told you that you need a strong internet connection. In the requirement, you need a smartphone, a strong internet connection, and then a time. You need your time, because this waiting you are doing is a time that you are wasting. So why not convert this waste of time into money by advertising your product to your client? I mentioned yesterday that you just take at least look at any social media that you can access your client's photo, especially like Facebook. Look for your patient's photo, you generate it, and then when you generate it, you will now send it to your client. Just send one to your client and tell him that you can do this for him. You can say 5 copies for 1,000. You can say 10 copies for 1,000. Anyhow you do it, as I mentioned earlier yesterday, yes, it will work out for you. And your clients, as they are subscribing to your product, they will be connecting with you. So the picture, the 200 seconds is done. So now it's generating up to 6 versions of this picture. So this is one of our participants who have given us permission to use her picture for this tutorial. So this picture is good and it look almost closer to our client. So let's save it by wiping it to the right. Save this one, save the other one, save all. Let's save it all because they look beautiful. So if you are okay with it, you can generate the video. But if you say no, you just press no thanks. No thanks. Okay, let me just save the video. I will share it on the WhatsApp group so that you can also see how the things look like. I'll update you on some of the information in the WhatsApp group so you can share it to your client here. So you can share it to your client. Let me share it to the WhatsApp group so that you can see. Let me share it to the WhatsApp group. So this is the register class. So I will now share it to the register class. So I will now say this is, I will now say this is, or let's say examples, or example. Example of what you can do with AI, artificial intelligence. In what? In portrait rendition or picture rendition. Say in picture rendition. So assuming this is what I want to, so I'll just send it to the WhatsApp group and you are good to go. So let's go back to our app. So that's how you can do. You have different models. You have different models to choose. You have different models to choose. You have different models to choose. So these are where you can do photo filter. Just take a picture, from the gallery. You do an emoji. So here, let me just use my picture. So this is my picture. Then I will now allow it to analyze. So that it will show us exactly what it means here. So it's revamping, uploading the photo. So it will now, this is example of the avatar it will create for you. Avatar, it's not a real picture of human being. So let me check this hero. How will I look if I use this avatar template? So this is how I'll look. Let me take doll. Let's see what will happen. It's revamping the reality. So this is how I will look if I use the avatar. What about a headshot? So it can be a picture of a woman or a man. So you can see what I will look. Okay. So let's close it. And let's go to photo enhancer. So it's also working good. So this is assuming this is our client, and then we want to enhance the picture and download and send it to them. We can use their original picture. So if it is blurred picture, this is assuming your client sent you a blurred picture. This is where you can use to clean the blurriness so that the picture will be good. See how clear it is. See how it is. So this is the before and this is the after. Then when you finish enhancing it, then you will now, when you finish enhancing it, then you now download it. See the option for downloading here. You can enhance the background here. You can enhance the beauty here. Okay, we are enhancing the beauty now. Let's see what will happen. In just few seconds, boom, yeah, there. So it has enhanced. See level 3, see level 1, 2, and this is level 1. So this is the original. This is level 2, level 3, original, level 2, original, level. Okay, so let's go back, exit. Okay, so let's go back to our pictures that we have just done. So this is the third listing. So let's say me, I don't like it again because I've already saved these ones. So I don't want the video. So here, look at this place here. They say change model. So you tap it. Then you look out for a model, any model you want, So if it is a man, you can come here and change it to male, or leave it at order. So this is how you use Remini app to generate money for your clients. So as I told you that in the bonus tip, one of the bonus tip is to crop out the watermark of that particular this thing. So for example here, the pictures we have downloaded, the one our sister gave us to use with permission, you can see the picture here. The picture is written Remini. Okay, let's look at this one. So assuming it's this picture, so what you can do, just tap on the picture, come to edit, then you now come to crop. When you crop, you pull this thing down so that it will cover the watermark, that brand name. Then you can do it like this. Then you can put your name here or here, anywhere, so that you can save it. So you see, this is the picture, and this is the original picture. So we have now cropped this watermark out so that the picture will look without any watermark, so that we can put our own brand name on it. So it's another method that you can put your brand name and your this thing. If you come to edit, you can write text. So when you write text, you can put, let's say let's type smart pixel and graphics. Then we can write our number 0800633291113. Okay, it's only 30 this thing. It's 30 alphabets. So we'll just tap smart graphics, pixel and graphics. Okay,